Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate England theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And you need to update your Instagram application by clicking update button from here. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and click on messenger icon on the top right. Here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. Here you need to click on theme and from here you need to select England. So now you can see that England theme is activated for this conversation. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.